So in this video, collision overhandling techniques. The contents are collision overhandling techniques. Those are open addressing and separate chaining. In the separate chaining, we have seen in the previous videos. Now, in the open addressing, we will discuss about quadratic probing in this video. So before going to that, you should know the hashing. What is hashing? We have some keys here. Those are 15, 38, 47, 23, and 32. I want to insert these keys into a hash table with the size 10 by using one hash function that is called hashing. Okay. Now, what is collision? When already these keys are inserted into the hash table, when I am trying to insert one more key that is 52, 52 modulus 10 means 2. 2 bucket already filled by 32 means when two keys are inserting into the same bucket, when we are trying to insert into the same bucket, that problem is called collision. So means we cannot insert two keys into one single bucket. So that is called collision. How to overcome this collision? So that is called one of the technique open addressing. In that we will learn about quadratic probing. So these are the open addressing methods. Now in this video we will discuss about quadratic probing. What is quadratic probing? The quadratic probing is an open addressing scheme where we look for I squared slot in the ith iteration. The given value x collides in the hash table. So we are trying to find out the I squared bucket, empty bucket in the hash table when collision occurs. The hash functions are general hash function is hash of key is equal to key modulus hash table size, and hi of key is equal to hash of key plus I square modulus hash table. These two are the main hash functions. Now I is replaced by 0, 2 and so on, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So when it is 0 I value, that is 0 square means 0. If it is full, then try h1, that is 1 square. I is replaced by 1. So that is 1 square. When it is full, try h2, that is 2 square and so on. So that is I square values are 1, 4, 9 and so on. Next, coming to the point, the example for quadratic probing, we have one problem here. Using the hash function key modulus 7, insert the following keys sequence of keys into the hash table by using quadratic probing. The keys are here 3, 22, 27, 40, 80 and 18. Now solution is here the hash key is hash function of key is equal to key modulus 7. The hash table size is 7 and keys are 3, 22, 27, 40, 80 and 18. So I want to insert these keys into a hash table by using quadratic probing method. Here keys are there, hash function is there, and the hash table size is 7. So that's why index starts from 0 and ends with 7 minus 1, that is 6. Here 7 buckets are there, empty buckets. Now the hash functions are hash of key is equal to key modulus hash table size, and hi of key is equal to hash of key plus I square modulus hash table size. Now one by one I want to insert these keys into a hash table by calling the hash function method. Now initially insert 3. The first key of our set is 3. So I want to insert these 3 by using hash function h of key is equal to key modulus hash table size. That is the remainder. 3 modulus 7 means 3 is the remainder. Check whether the 3 bucket is empty or not. Yes, it is empty. Now there we can insert our 3. 3 successfully inserted. Now again insert second value, that is 22. So 22 modulus 7 means 1. 1th bucket is also empty. Now we can insert our 22 into a 7th bucket. Now 22 inserted. 27. Insert 27 by using same hash function. 27 modulus 7 means remainder is 6. The 6th bucket is empty. Now 6th bucket filled by our key 27. Again next value is 40. When I am trying to insert 40, 40 modulus 7 means 5 is the remainder. Check the 5th bucket is empty or not. Yes, it is empty. Now in the 5th bucket we can insert our 40 key. Right. Now trying to insert 80. When we are trying to insert 80, so 80 modulus 7 means remainder is 3. Now check the bucket 3 is empty or not. So bucket 3 is already filled by one key in our set, that is 3. So 3 bucket is filled by one key, that is 3. So here 80 cannot insert, so because collision occurs in this position, third bucket. Now how to insert? Now check for I value is equal to 1. So that is our hash function h1 of key is equal to hash of key plus 1 square modulus hash table size. So here the I value is replaced by 1. Previously it is 0. By default 0 means this one is the hash function. Now h1 means h1 of 80 is equal to 80 plus 1 square. 1 square means 1 only. Hash of key means what is hash of key? That is h of 80. So 80 plus 1 modulus 7, that is 81 modulus 7 means 4 is the remainder. Check the fourth bucket is empty or not. It is empty. Now our 80 key is inserted at bucket 4. Now 80 is successfully inserted. Now trying to insert 18. So when we are trying to insert 18, 18 modulus 7 means 4 is the remainder. Check the fourth bucket is empty or not. So fourth is not empty. Fourth bucket already filled by 80. So here collision occurs. Then we try for H1. So H1 means our key H1 of key is equal to hash of key plus 1 square modulus hash table size. So when they replace the hash of key, that is 18 plus 1 modulus 7 means 5. Otherwise you can replace hash of key, already you know that is 4. 4 plus 1 means 5. 5 modulus 7 means 5 only. So check the fifth bucket is empty or not. So fifth bucket is not empty because fifth is already filled by 40 key. Now try for H2. So H2 of key is equal to hash of key plus 2 square modulus table size. You know that hash of key. What is hash of key here? Hash of 18 is equal to 4. So 4 plus 2 square. Otherwise you can take 18 also, no problem. So 18 plus 4 modulus 7, that is 1. So check the one bucket is empty or not. 1 is already filled by 22. So here collision again occurs. Again you try for h3, that is h3 of key is equal to hash of key plus 3 square modulus hash table size. So what is hash of key? 18. 18 plus 9 modulus 7, that is 6. Sixth bucket is also again full, means 27 already filled in the sixth bucket. Collision occurs. So 18 you cannot insert at sixth bucket. You can try for H4. That is hash of 4 is equal to hash of key plus 4 square modulus table size. So 18 plus 4 square means 16 modulus 7. That is 2. So check the second bucket is empty or not. Yes, second bucket is empty. Now collision occurs. So there you can insert our key 18 in the second bucket. So this is the solution for our keys inserting into a hash table by using quadratic probing. So when we are inserting 18, the problem occurs. Again go for I values 1. So 1 square. Again it is full. Again go for I value 2, 2 square. Again go for 3, I value 3 square. Now again go for 4, 4 square. So with there we can found our empty bucket by using quadratic probing method. So 18 you can insert at second bucket. So if you are trying to insert these keys 7, 36, 18, 62, and the hash function key modulus 11 means, so this is a solution. So initially take the 7. 7 modulus 11 means 7 is the answer. Okay. At the seventh bucket 7 inserted. Again 36 modulus 11 means 3 is the remainder. 36 successfully inserted. No collision. 18. 18 modulus 11 means 7. So 7 already filled by 7. Now we want to insert 18 means 18 plus 1 square modulus table size. So 18 plus 1, 11, 18 plus 1, 19. 19 modulus 11 means our remainder is 8. So check the 8th bucket is empty. 18 is inserted here. Now trying to insert 62. 62 modulus 11 means, so 5, 11 ja 55 means 7 is the answer. So seventh bucket already filled by 7. Again go for 1 square, that is 63. 63 modulus 11 means 8 is the answer. 8th bucket already filled. Again 62 plus 2 square, so 66. 66 modulus, sorry, 1 square 1 is 66 modulus 11 means 0 is the remainder. So at the 62 key insert at 0th location. This is the solution problem. Thank you.